and welcome to the channel Pitch and Pronunciation. So, life में hope is very important. इंसान का सब चला जाए और कोई उसके लिए कुछ बचे ना, फिर भी hope is the only thing जो उसको जलाए रखता है, उससे आशावान रखता है. So, आशा से बढ़ के कुछ भी नहीं है. Keep the hope in your heart and keep going. With that note, let's start the day. Let's learn 5 words which are wrongly pronounced or mispronounced. The first one comes as, this is echo. Echo. This is not echo, this is echo. When we go to the mountains and shout, the word echoes. So this will be echo. The second word comes as riot. This is not right. Riot. Riot. So riots are bad for any nation's development. Riot. Third word is this is sacred. 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 This is not sacred, this is sacred. So, Kashi is one of the most sacred places in Hindu religion. Sacred. The fourth word today is iron. We pronounce it as iron. Iron. The letter R will be silent here. The letter R will be silent here. This will not be pronounced. So, we'll say iron. Now, be it metal or that stri karte kapde. So we'll say that this pipe is made of iron. This pipe is made of iron, the metal iron. And when we iron out, we'll say that after washing the clothes, it's good to iron them out. Iron. And the fifth word today is this is reservation. 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 So we'll say it's good to book a table before going to the restaurant through a reservation counter. Reservation. So these are the words that we need to correct if we are mispronouncing them.